Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of March, 2025, our system has ranked Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.09. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and downward trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $165.38 is breached, it will likely signal an accelerated decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 3.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 4.43% to an increase of 17.93%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 19%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 17.18% and 48.76% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $195.69 and $248.45. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google's stock downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after the Monday trading session. The Google stock price fell by 1.92% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, from $170.28 to $167.01. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.48%, with a day low at $165.94 and a day high of $173.37. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 9.84% over this period. Interestingly, volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a favorable sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 6 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $207.05, while the lowest was $130.67. Currently, the price stands 19.34%, or $40.04, below the 52-week high, and 93.18%, or $2,281.91, below the all-time high recorded on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Google, trading under the ticker symbol Google, is currently navigating a complex landscape. This week, the Chinese smartphone maker Oppo announced its intention to leverage Google's secure cloud solutions to enhance privacy for its artificial intelligence products. This partnership could bolster Google's stature in the field of artificial intelligence, attracting more international clients and fostering growth in its cloud services. However, Google recently faced a significant setback, witnessing its stock price plummet by 16% last month, marking its worst quarterly performance in nearly 3 years. While this dip signals unfavorable short-term sentiment, it may also present a buying opportunity for investors who see potential in advancements in artificial intelligence. Alphabet's results for the 4th quarter showcased a 12% year-over-year revenue growth, with Google's cloud revenue increasing by 30%, driven by AI infrastructure. This demonstrates a foundational strength that could lead to recovery. Additionally, partnerships with firms like Honor, which is pledging $10 billion to artificial intelligence, further solidify Google's role as a leader in this burgeoning sector. In the long term, as artificial intelligence continues to drive market excitement, Google's value may appreciate significantly if it capitalizes on these investments and partnerships. Therefore, while short-term fluctuations pose challenges, Google's strategic maneuvers in artificial intelligence and cloud computing position it favorably for long-term growth in a technology-driven economy. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. For return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Google stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a predominantly negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal observed in the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of 173 and 188.81. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on the 4th of February, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 19.08%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, observed 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, noted 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, marked 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, identified 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice short moving average, sell signal, recorded 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, noted 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, observed 76 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically demonstrates average daily movements combined with solid trading volume, which indicates a medium level of risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.43 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.48%. In the last week, the daily average volatility has been 3.13%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $191.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Arnold Francis conducted an insider sale of 121 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of February, 2025, O'Toole Amithuiner conducted an insider purchase of 1,374 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of February, 2025, O'Toole Amithuiner also conducted an insider sale of 1,374 shares of Class C Google stock units. Additionally, on the same day, O'Toole Amithuiner conducted another insider sale of 1,390 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, Hennessy John L. conducted an insider purchase of 1,920 shares of Class C capital stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 20.685. In total, insiders purchased 1,568,629 shares and sold 1,027,799 shares in those last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google shows several negative indicators and is trending downward. We anticipate that it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock remains negative. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our previous rating from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of March, we expect Google to open higher by $1.76, starting the day at $168.77. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.